Welcome to this tutorial on the tan command in Splunk SPL. The tan command is a mathematical function that calculates the tangent of angles measured in radians. This function is particularly useful for slope analysis and trigonometric computations in your data analysis workflows. The tangent function helps you determine the relationship between angles and their corresponding slope values, making it essential for geometric calculations and data transformations involving angular measurements. The syntax for the tan command is straightforward and follows standard SPL function conventions. You simply write tan followed by the field name in parentheses. The function takes a single parameter, which should be the field containing your angle values. It's important to remember that the tan function expects input values to be in radians, not degrees. The function returns the tangent value of the specified field, which represents the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side in a right triangle for that particular angle. Here's a practical example of how to use the tan command in your Splunk searches. The eval command is used to create a new field called tangent_value by applying the tan function to the angle_radians field. Following this, the table command displays both the original angle values and their corresponding tangent results. This simple pattern allows you to quickly calculate tangent values and view them alongside your original data, making it easy to verify results and understand the relationship between input angles and their tangent values. Let's examine some typical results you might see when using the tan function. When the input is 0 radians, the tangent result is 0.00040.785 radians, which equals 45 degrees. The tangent is 1.000. At 1.047 radians, approximately 60 degrees, the tangent becomes 1.732. Notice that as we approach 1.571 radians, which is 90 degrees or pi divided by 2, the tangent approaches infinity. This demonstrates the mathematical behavior of the tangent function at its asymptotes. One of the most practical applications of the tan command is slope analysis. In this example, we calculate the slope directly from angle measurements using the tan function. The first eval statement creates a slope field by applying the tan function to angle_radians. The second eval statement converts this slope value to a percentage by multiplying by 100. This approach is particularly valuable for terrain analysis, gradient calculations, and any scenario where you need to convert angular measurements into slope representations for easier interpretation and analysis. There are two critical points to remember when using the tan command. First, regarding input format, the tan function accepts values in radians only. If your data contains degree measurements, you must convert them to radians first using the appropriate conversion formula. Second, be aware of special cases. The tan function returns infinity at pi divided by 2 radians and other similar boundary values. These mathematical properties are important to consider when processing your data, as infinity values may require special handling in your analysis workflows. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.